Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. Today I'm going to be making a plaque for my nephew. He won a batting competition in Little League, and all he got for his effort was this kind of goofy little paper certificate. And when I saw it, I thought, well shoot, I can do better than that. So I fired up Carve, and this is the design I came up with. I found this simple bat and ball graphic on a Google search, and then I put the word congratulations on a curve, just to kind of break up the monotony of just straight words, just to spice it up a little bit. And I like doing these inside radius corners on the borders of plaques. I think it really makes them look nice. Another thing you can do when designing plaques is to use different fonts like I did here. Makes your plaque more interesting to look at and more visually appealing. And last thing I did was I added this keyhole toolpath that will be carved into the back so the plaque could be hung on the wall. So that's it with the design done. Let's get to carving. So I'm carving this into a pine board using a 60-degree V-bit, and then I'll paint the lettering and the graphics when it's all done. And this is really one of the coolest things about having a Onefinity CNC, is you can easily make little items like this for your friends and family. If you're enjoying the video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you get notified when I put a new video out. I know I don't usually do videos like this, so if you're wondering why this video is all music and voiceover, it's because I recently had some technical difficulties. And by technical difficulties, I mean I accidentally knocked over my tripod, and when the camera hit the ground, the lens snapped off and went flying across the floor. Unfortunately, the lens was toast, so I had to get a new one before I could film any new videos. So I filmed a few videos with the new lens, and when I went to edit them, they had no sound. That's when I discovered I had also broken my microphone cable when I knocked over the tripod. So it's fixed now, but you're going to get a few videos like this with just some voiceover and some music, so I hope that's okay. So here we are carving that T-slot so the plaque can be hung on the wall. And of course there's always some cleanup to do before painting. And before you know it, you got a finished product. I just used some acrylic paint and a cheap stiff brush to jam the paint down into all the little nooks and crannies, just like I'm demonstrating here in case you didn't know what jamming paint into nooks and crannies looked like. And that got me thinking, what is a cranny? Anyway, I kind of know what a nook is, but what's a cranny? I don't know. Never mind. Anyways, well, there you go. Chamfer the edge, spray on some lacquer, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.